Hi everyone. In this video, let's learn to tackle another trigonometry question. Alright guys, so the question is, in triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR equals 25 cm and PQ equals 5 cm. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Alright guys, so first let's write down what is given to us in the question. It is given to us that PR plus QR equals 25 cm and that PQ equals 5 cm. Right guys? Let's also write down what we have to find in this question. We have to find out sin P, cos P and tan P. Once we've written that, we'll move on to the solution part. Since there's no figure given to us in this question, let's first create the question diagram. So we need a triangle PQR, which is right angled at the vertex Q as given in the question, and we've also marked the side PQ as 5 since it's given in the question. Also guys, the question talks about angle P only, so angle P is also marked in our figure. Now guys, it's also given to us that PR plus QR equals 25 cm. For now, let's ignore the centimeter part. Alright guys, so they've given us a relation between the other two sides of the triangle. So guys, what will QR be from here? QR will be nothing but 25 minus PR. Yeah guys, let's also write down this particular value of QR in our figure. Okay, so guys, now in this entire triangle, there's only one unknown part. Which is that unknown part? It is nothing but the side PR. Right guys? Since we don't know the measure of PR and we've expressed QR as 25 minus PR, we should apply something in our triangle so that we can first find PR and that way we can find out QR as well. Right guys? So what is that one relation that you can apply in any right triangle? Yes guys, it is the Pythagoras theorem. So now we must apply the Pythagoras theorem in order to find our missing side, which is the PR side. Okay guys? So what do we get? We'll get hypotenuse square, which is nothing but PR squared equals PQ square plus QR square. Right guys? Now we know the value of PQ given as 5 centimeters and we just found out that QR equals 25 minus PR. Right guys? So let's substitute these two values in our equation and we'll get PR square equals 5 square plus 25 minus PR the whole square. Now let's simplify this equation and let's also expand this using our A minus B whole square identity, which is nothing but A square minus 2AB plus B square. Right guys? So we'll get nothing but PR square equals 5 square plus, on expanding, we'll get 25 squared minus 2 into 25 into PR plus B square, which is nothing but PR square. Now, as you can see, PR square on both the sides of the equation, they will get cancelled. Let's do one more thing. Let's take this negative part and take it to the other side of the equation. So what will we get, guys? We'll get 2 into 25 PR equals 5 square plus 25 square. 5 square is nothing but 25. And we've written 25 square as it is. So guys, 2 into 25 is 50. So 50 PR equals 25 plus 625, which is nothing but 25 square. 625 plus 25 is 650. So guys, PR will be equal to 650 divided by 50. And hence we can say PR is equal to 13 centimeter. Don't forget the units guys. Let's substitute the value of PR as 13 in our diagram. Alright guys, so what will be our next step? Definitely it will be to find the side QR, which is nothing but 25 minus PR. So it will be equal to 25 minus 13 and therefore we can say QR equals 12 centimeter. Let's also substitute our QR value in this over here. Alright guys. So guys, now we can easily find out the values of sin P, cos P and tan P simply because our triangle is complete. We know all the sides, adjacent, opposite and hypotenuse sides. So guys, what is sine p going to be? Sine p is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. It is equal to QR by PR. So sine p will be equal to 12 by 13. Cos p is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, which is equal to PQ by PR. Therefore, cos p will be equal to 5 by 13. Now, how do we find tan p, guys? We've learnt the sine, cos and tan relationship. Right, guys? What was it? It was nothing but tan p equals sine p divided by cos p. So, what will it be? It will be 12 by 13, the whole divided by 5 by 13. These are nothing but the sine p and cos p values. So, guys, 13 will get cancelled from both numerator and denominator. So, what will be the value of tan p? Tan p will be equal to 12 by 5. So, these are the answers to this question. I hope you understood this question. Thank you, guys.